It's easy to make a window screen of almost any size. This video will show you how to do it. Here's what you'll need: a screen frame kit and a roll of screen of the appropriate size. You'll also need a marking pen and tape measure, a square, a hacksaw, a screen spline roller, scissors or sharp knife, and a flat, broad screwdriver. After determining the size of the screen needed, subtract 1.5 inches from both the width and height. This provides the length measurements for cutting the frame pieces. Mark the frame sections with these measurements. Use a square to draw a line that will help guide your cut. It's easier to cut these pieces if you clamp them to the edge of a table. Or use a vise if you have one. Lay out your components in the order of assembly, the spline grooves facing upward and toward the interior of the screen. First assemble the short rails, installing the retainer springs, and then insert the corner connectors. The pull tab should snap into the groove on the side opposite the end with the retainer springs. Now attach the short rails to the long rails. Cut a length of screen material several inches longer than the frame. To install the screen material, align the weave along one of the short edges of the frame. Starting at one end, place the spline over the groove and press it into the groove with the spline roller. Firm pressure is required, but you don't need to get it completely down on the first pass. You can always roll over it a second or a third time to seat it. Now secure the opposite end. This time, align the weave by sighting down the long edge of the frame. As you seat the spline, use your opposite hand to gently tension the screen material, ensuring that it is taut across the surface. Use the tip of a sharp knife to cut off the extra length of spline. Now you simply need to install the spline on both long edges of the screen. After cutting off the excess spline, press the ends firmly down into the corner with a flat screwdriver. Use a sharp knife to cut off the excess screen. Insert the blade through the material and slide it along the surface of the frame. That's it. That's all there is to it.